Welcome! In front of me I have Motorola Moto Watch 40 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically, how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe right on the home screen, the current watch face, to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, find the option called screen time. Once you find it, tap on it, and here we have durations, and we have 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15 seconds. Select the one you like, for example 10 seconds, then tap on yes to apply it. And now my screen should turn off automatically after 10 seconds of an activity. So let's wait for 10 seconds. And it should turn off right about now, yeah. Okay, and that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.